Disinformation and denial of access to information. What acts or situations constitute the presence of the risk? This protection risk centers on the misuse or denial of information that results in harm to populations. Disinformation, intentionally false information aimed at causing social harm, misleads the public, undermining their rights to access and share accurate information. The denial of access to information, particularly in ways that prevent people from fulfilling basic needs or rights, can be equally damaging. Both acts are often driven by societal polarization or social constructs like gender, race, age, or political belief. Information is used or denied with the consequence of causing harm to the population. Disinformation involves false information and statements shared deliberately to mislead or divide. Denial of access to information occurs when people are prevented from seeking, receiving, or sharing information, undermining their ability to stay safe or claim their rights. These tactics often target specific groups based on ethnicity, gender, disability, religion, or political views and can spread online, offline, or both. In crises, this can lead to fear, violence, and exclusion. What factors must be identified for monitoring? With the rise of social media, these risks can increasingly manifest online, though they often spread through a mix of digital and offline channels. We distinguish between 4 types of harmful information: misinformation, false content shared without intent to harm; disinformation, false content shared intentionally to deceive or harm; malinformation, true content used to cause harm, like leaks or doxing; rumors, content passed from person to person; gendered and sexualized disinformation may aim to discourage women from participating in public life; statements going against, offensive, hateful, or threatening messages to threat, provoke, intimidate, or divide groups. Monitoring should focus on content that incites violence, hate, or discrimination; disinformation that targets vulnerable groups; exclusion from information access, especially among displaced persons, older people, or persons with disabilities; the role of state or non-state actors in spreading or restricting information. What information and data can illustrate the presence of the risk? Identifying this risk requires connecting multiple sources of data, including laws, media content, digital behavior, and community-level insights. Relevant data includes censorship laws and propaganda, reports of online abuse, hate speech or misinformation, surveillance and restricted media access, polarization, recruitment, or radicalization patterns, events that often trigger disinformation, elections, social unrest, health crises, coups, or religious festivals. By linking these data points and listening to affected communities, we can better understand how this risk is evolving and protect people's right to information and safety.